So today we're going to be talking about, should you fix your credit before investing in real estate? I'm a firm believer that real estate is a great way for Americans to build wealth. And it's important that you start investing in real estate, whether it be for your primary residence and building your portfolio. But a lot of times people wonder, should I fix my credit first before I start looking for a house, or should I start investing and work on my credit as I go? So having low credit scores can affect you multiple ways. Your credit score is like your reputation, right? It is an indication of how you've handled your debt, how you paid your bills. And with a low credit score, it can cost you thousands of dollars in extra interest and fees that you wouldn't necessarily pay if you had a higher credit score. With investing in home loans, low credit scores can prohibit you from getting the best rate, the best terms, or getting a mortgage altogether. But don't fret, there are ways for you to still buy a home and fix your credit score at the same time. And there is always that cost of waiting. That cost of waiting might be more detrimental than just jumping in with 2 feet and buying real estate. So if you have really low credit scores, here's some ways for you to be able to get into the purchase market and build wealth and your portfolio. The first option is hard money. Although it comes with a hefty price tag, it is the easiest way to get a home loan on the real estate you're looking to purchase. A typical hard money loan looks like you're putting 20+% down. They lend on the home, which is the collateral, not you, because they're banking on you being able to have an exit strategy and pay them off quite quickly. Now, the other downside with hard money is expect to pay double digits in interest rates. Most hard money loans start off at 10%, go up from there, but you're only paying interest only. So the payment is still somewhat affordable depending upon what you're looking to accomplish. And furthermore, costs for a hard money loan, I've seen anywhere from 3 to 6 points, and points being a percentage of the amount that you borrow. So they do come with a price tag. However, it's a great way to get into real estate as long as you have the right exit strategy. If you've tried a traditional mortgage and either got declined or they told you you don't qualify, I'd recommend asking them for who they use for hard money. Who are they recommending those deals to? Because those people will be the best sources of information and for you to be able to get qualified. Number 2 is private money. Now, private money would be financing that you've acquired or borrowed from a friend, family member, someone you've met in a networking or investment group. Those can be great places to borrow money for short-term projects like fix and flip or rehab. And if you're buying your first home, a family member is more likely to help you get into your property. These loans are very close to hard money, where they don't really care about your credit score. If a friend or family's giving you money or lending you money, they're more interested in the asset, the value of the collateral, and they might want to be involved in all of those decisions if you're fixing and flipping, rehabbing, because they want to make sure that it is a solid investment in their mind and what they're lending will be paid back. On private money loans, you generally only pay back what you borrow, and those are short term, usually 3 to 13 months, somewhere in that range. We've seen them longer, of course. Depends on who you're borrowing from and those terms. So here's an example. Let's say you need $80,000, and at time, it's going to cost you $800 a month in payments to the friend or relative that you borrowed the money from. So 6 times 8 is $4,800 that you're going to owe back in addition to the $80,000 that you originally borrowed. That's not a bad deal considering you've paid only 1% on the amount that you borrowed. Number 3 is find a partner with excellent credit. Credit will take you a lot of places, And while you're working on yours, that partner can help you, right? It's a win-win. You have funds, they have credit. It's a good mishmash. You know, they say in real estate, you need 3 things: hustle, money, and knowledge. So let's just say you bring 2 out of the 3 to the table and your partner brings the other. That's a good combination and strategy for both of you to be successful in your real estate purchases. And you get to delegate, so you're not in charge of all of the projects and all of the paperwork. You can handle some while the partner handles some of the other. So let's say the partner puts up the money and you handle everything else. That would be in lieu of your low credit score, right? They might have the good credit and the money, while you have the knowledge and the expertise to put the deals together and get the deal closed. It's a win-win. Now, obviously, it's going to be up to you guys to determine what strengths you bring to the table and who does what. But that is an option for building your portfolio and starting off with low credit scores. Just know that a low credit score shouldn't stop you from buying a home or building your portfolio, because again, I am a true believer that Americans can build significant wealth with real estate, and generally it's the biggest asset we have in our lifetimes. So even if you have a low credit score, it's best to get in now. Start investing in yourself and gaining appreciation. Hi, I'm Aundrea Beach-Greco, your local mortgage expert. It's my passion to help you with the largest investment of your lifetime, your home. I've been helping Las Vegas residents for the last 23 years with their credit, wealth, and finances. If you're new to my channel, please like, subscribe, don't forget to tap that little bell. I post new content all the time and I'd hate for you to miss it. In the meantime, if you have any questions, just reach out. Have an awesome day.